In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept or reject suggestions in Google Docs. This is a simple, yet incredibly powerful tool that can enhance your collaborative document creation process. Whether you're working on a report, an essay, or a project plan, knowing how to handle suggestions in Google Docs will empower you to manage your content effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Docs. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Docs into the search bar. You will see a link that directs you to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to click on it to access the platform. If you haven't signed in with your Google account yet, you may be prompted to do so before proceeding. Once inside Google Docs, the next step is to select the document that you're working on. You should see a list of your most recent documents. Now find the document you wish to review and click on it to open it. This document likely contains suggestions from collaborators that need your attention. Now that you have the document open, you can begin reviewing the suggestions. Google Docs tracks changes and suggestions using a simple and clear interface. Suggested changes in your document will appear as highlighted text with a comment box displaying the suggestion details. If you want to accept a suggestion, look for the small checkmark icon located within the suggestions comment box. Clicking this icon will incorporate the suggested change into your document. This process is seamless and ensures that all parties involved in the document creation are on the same page, literally. On the other hand, if you decide to reject the suggestion, you will need to click on the small cross icon, which is also located within the comment box. Rejecting a suggestion will revert the highlighted text back to its original state, removing the suggestion from your document. This ensures that only the content you approve of remains in your final version. Being able to accept or reject suggestions promptly helps maintain a clean and organized document while respecting the contributions your collaborators make. As you continue using Google Docs, these tools will become second nature, helping you streamline the review process in any document collaboration. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to efficiently accept or reject suggestions in Google Docs, enhancing your workflow and maintaining control over your content. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.